The wormhole you have seen in Stranger Things is scientifically real. Let me show you how I'm going to show you how a specific solution to Einstein's equations proves that portals are possible. And if you stick around until the very end of this video, I'm going to reveal how this specific solution accidentally unlocks something even crazier than a portal to another dimension. A terrifying side effect of wormholes that even the writers of Stranger Things were afraid to touch. First, the real-world experiment that proves a Hawkins-style rift is mathematically possible. Second, why the red sky and lightning in the trailers actually match real quantum data. And third, the secret about the merging of two worlds that is so scientifically accurate, it might actually spoil the ending for you. A wormhole, technically called an Einstein-Rosen bridge, is a shortcut. Think of space-time as a giant trampoline. Normally, to get from point A to point B, you have to walk across the surface. But a wormhole is like a tunnel that connects the 2 points through the underneath. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, space and time are linked. If you move fast enough, or if gravity is strong enough, time literally slows down. This is called time dilation. Point 1, the speed factor. If you were to fly a spaceship at 90% the speed of light, 1 year for you would be over 2 years for everyone back on Earth. You would literally be traveling into their future. Point 2, the gravity factor. Inside a wormhole, gravity is so intense that time doesn't just slow down, it warps. If the upside down has a different gravitational pull than our world, an hour spent there could mean days, months, or even years have passed in Hawkins. This is why in Stranger Things time seems to freeze or move differently in the other dimension. Point number 3, the time machine logic. If you take one mouth of a wormhole and move it at the speed of light while keeping the other mouth still, you have created a permanent bridge between two different points in time. You could step into the rift in 2025 and walk out in 1986. The verdict? Time travel isn't a fantasy, it's a side effect of gravity. If the Season 5 gates are real wormholes, the characters aren't just fighting monsters, they are fighting the clock of the universe itself. Use time travel every day. GPS satellites move so fast and are so far from Earth's gravity that their internal clocks gain 38 microseconds every day. If we didn't adjust for time dilation, your Google Maps would be wrong by 10 kilometers every single day. Here's the proof. In 2022, scientists at Caltech and Google used a quantum computer to simulate a holographic wormhole. They sent a signal that skipped across space-time instantly. This proves that the logic of the Hawkins gate is 100% scientifically sound. The door is real. We just need to know how to open it. That leads us to the biggest doubt. How do you actually make one? In the show, it takes a massive amount of psychic energy from 11. In the real world, it takes exotic matter. Normal matter has gravity that pulls things in. Exotic matter has negative energy. It pushes space-time out. Think of it like a doorstop. Without exotic matter, a wormhole would slam shut in a fraction of a millisecond, crushing anything inside. According to the laws of general relativity, that tunnel actually exists. And today I'm going to show you the blueprint that proves the upside down is mathematically real. Scientists have found that quantum fluctuations, tiny ripples in space, actually produce small amounts of this negative energy. This tells us when wormholes likely existed, at the very beginning of the Big Bang. They are primordial scars in the universe. Season 5 shows the world glitching as the rift grows. This is exactly what would happen if the negative energy holding a wormhole open started leaking into our atmosphere. Now the answer every fan wants to know. Why is the upside down red, filled with lightning and toxic? It's going to blow your mind. In physics, when you have 2 points of space-time connecting, you get something called blue shift and Hawking radiation. As light and energy enter the mouth of a wormhole, they get compressed and energized.